When you push your limits, you find the real you. The Wild Ferenc Via Ferrata isn't just a climb. It's a challenge that demands every ounce of your strength and focus. Nestled behind a valley full of trees, with Red Lake in the distant left and the Bicaz Gorges framing the scene, this vertical ascent is an experience that redefines what's possible. Imagine standing at the base of a vertical crag, the path ahead rising steeply, challenging you to face it alone. This isn't about just climbing. It's about testing your limits and finding the courage to go beyond them. Every step on Wild Ferenc Via Ferrata demands precision. The vertical ascent isn't just a physical challenge, it's a mental battle. Unlike rock climbing, you can't just leverage your feet. Here, you create vector forces between the safety steel cable, the wall, and your entire body. It's a dance of strength and strategy. Reaching the summit isn't about the view, although it's breathtaking. It's about the journey and the obstacles you overcome to get here. Standing at the top, you realize that every struggle, every moment of doubt was worth it. This is where strength meets clarity. The next morning, Red Lake mirrors the sky, offering a moment of peace. The calm waters and the history of this place remind you that even the most challenging journeys can end in serenity. It's a place where the struggle of a climb meets the tranquility of nature. As you pack up and drive through the Bicaz Gorges, the winding roads and towering cliffs remind you of the twists and turns of your journey. Each bend in the road, each climb teaches resilience. The path ahead may be uncertain, but the journey is always worthwhile. The Wild Ferenc Via Ferrata isn't just a climb. It's a journey of resilience and self-discovery. It's about pushing your boundaries and realizing that the toughest challenges often lead to the most rewarding destinations. If this adventure inspires you, let it be a call to action. Embrace your own challenges and discover the power within you. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. This channel is dedicated to those who seek to push their limits and find meaning in their journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep challenging yourself, and never settle for the ordinary.